Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing power sources so you don't short anything. This prevents damage. Next, remove the bezel or clip holding the keycap by gently prying with a plastic tool. Lift at the nearest corner. Once done, take a clear photo of the key layout for reassembly. Make sure to keep screws and small parts in a tray. This avoids losing tiny clips. You're now positioned to inspect the scissor mechanism and rubber dome beneath. You'll now examine why the key failed. Inspect the scissor hinge for broken tabs or shifted halves because misalignment prevents travel. If the scissor is intact, inspect the rubber dome for tears or dust that stops electrical contact. Clean slowly with 90% isopropyl and a swab to remove grime. Once clean, realign or replace the scissor clip. Snap the correct halves together so the little hooks engage. Then test the key press before replacing the keycap to confirm functionality. You finish by aligning the keycap over the scissor mechanism and pressing straight down until it clicks into place. This ensures even pressure and prevents breakage. Once assembled, boot and test the key in your OS. Use an on-screen keyboard or text editor to verify reliable input. If the key still fails, it indicates a damaged dome or membrane. Replace the key module or keyboard. One troubleshooting tip, if intermittent. Reseat the ribbon connector and reseal the flex cable. Loose contact is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.